Hello everyone, so today I am going to be answering your guys' questions that you guys asked me. My last video, I was asking everyone to submit any questions and you guys did not fail to do so. So, I hit 1K subscribers, which is insane, and I cannot thank you guys enough. This is amazing, and thank you to everyone that subscribed so much. Thank you. So, without further ado, let's get into the Q&A. I did get a lot of questions, so we have no time to waste. And I will not be answering any questions that make me uncomfortable or are very personal. So let's get started. First questions are from Artsy Kabuto. Yeah, Kabuto. Why did you start YouTube? Well, I love making videos. As you guys probably already can see and tell, I love making videos. I love content creating, I love making thumbnails, and I love art. So, boom, put them together, YouTube. I actually did have 2 YouTube channels before this, but they never, I think the most one ever had was like 60 subs because one of my videos went viral. But, not viral, but like got a lot of views. But, yeah. Next question, who inspired you to create art? Honestly, all artists out there that everyone's art is beautiful and unique, so all artists out there. When is the face reveal? I don't think I'm ever going to do a face reveal, or at least anytime soon. And do you like my channel? Who asked that? Artik Buro. I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever seen your channel. Okay, next questions. Do you have any pets, and if so, what kind? No, I do not have any pets. What's your favorite animal? Pandas. Why did you start a YouTube channel? I already answered that. What's the proudest piece of art you've ever made? Okay. Hear me out on this one. About 2 weeks ago, I made a drawing that I was really proud of, and I put it as my profile picture. And my intro. Now, coming back, looking at it 2 weeks later, I hate it, I think it's gross, and I think I've improved since then. So that is your answer right there. I don't, I have one as of right now, but I know it's going to change. So I think whatever is in my profile picture is the proudest piece of art. What app do you use to edit? I use InShot Editor and BCut. What's your favorite medium and sketchbook to use? Alcohol-based markers and the Yahoo spiral-bound sketchbook, which I actually just got a new one, and it is sitting right next to me, and I absolutely love it. What do you enjoy drawing the most? Girl, faces. Who is your art role model? The main 2, I guess, would be Drawn with Waffles and Erica the Cooper. Olivia Brown asks, drawing or painting? For me, drawing, but I know for other people it might be painting. Sama Natur asks, have you watched any animes in your life? I don't think so, no. It's Dazzle asks, do you like My Little Pony? Yeah, I used to watch it when I was little, so yeah. And if so, what's your favorite pony? Pinkie Pie. Next questions by Celia and Selena. What do you use to edit your videos? Already answered that. What's your favorite animal? Okay, already answered those questions. Next up, Samiksha asks, how do you find your art style? I don't think I've found my art style just yet, actually, because I think, 2 weeks ago I thought I found my art style, but now it's obviously changed. So I don't think I found it just yet, but, yeah, that's the answer. Who's your favorite art YouTuber? I really don't have one, but I will mention ones that I really like. Let's go up here. Okay, so when it comes to smaller YouTubers, are YouTubers Melon Doodle and what's her name? Minty Sketchbook, and then Mira Barler, Erica the Goober, John with Waffles, Mariah Elizabeth, Chloe Rosart, Cat Velk, Super Dizzle, Applemint. Those are the ones that are my favorites for now. I do like a lot more though. Do you plan on making YouTube your career? I've never really thought of that. I don't know when it comes for me, when the time comes, if YouTube will be stable enough for me, but I'm not really sure. What's your favorite Disney show or movie? I'm not sure. Just Some Fancy Scribbles asks, how do you grow your channel? I think a really important thing to do is make thumbnails that catch people's eye. Because a potential viewer, the first thing you're going to do is look at your thumbnail. And if you want them to click on the video, the thumbnail has to catch their eye. So if the thumbnail catches their eye, then boom, you just got a viewer that would be a potential subscriber. And I'm also using TubeBuddy for for the titles of your videos to make sure, like, for example, if you search them up, will people actually search that title up, you know? So finding the likelihood of somebody searching that up, that's what that is. And do you have any pets? If not, what would you like to have? I'm not a really big pet person, honestly, but I would go with a cat. Next question's by Yimna A. When did you get into art? Early 2018. What is your favorite number? 7. What's your top favorite movie? Wonder. What's your favorite fruit? Raspberries. What's your favorite subject? Science. What's your favorite color? Mint green, mint green, mustard yellow, and dusty pink. What's your favorite style of art? I love all art. It's all unique and beautiful. What are your top favorite YouTubers? Already answered that. What do you do in your free time or when you are bored? I really like graphic design and I love reading. What are your top... Oh, I just read the question. Where do you want to travel? Probably Japan because they have a lot of cool art supplies. What's your favorite season? Either autumn or winter. Next questions. What's your favorite medium besides alcohol-based markers? Graphite. Do you have any hobbies besides art? I already answered that. Next question is, how would you stay motivated to do things? So I actually got a lot of questions asking this. How do you stay motivated? It's a pretty popular question. So when it comes to YouTube, what keeps me motivated is other YouTubers, especially smaller art YouTubers or like John Waffles kind of YouTubers, looking at how frequently they upload and how frequently they make beautiful art. It motivates me to be like them and strive to be like them. Next question, do you like watercolor? Yes. What is a medium you would like to try? Mia Himigwash. What is your dream collaboration with Erica the Goober? Any hobbies or talents? I already answered that. What does the word art mean to you? The word art means to me creativity, and unique because every person's artwork is unique and different. So yeah. What is your favorite brand of alcohol-based markers? Oh, hoo-hoos. What do you use to film? So I used to use a Canon ZS60, but that is currently not working for some weird reason, so I use a phone. Would you ever do a face reveal? I don't know, probably not. How would you describe your art style? Cartoony. Next questions. Do you prefer dogs or cats? BW, if you choose cats, I will come for you. Unfortunately, I will have to choose cats, so I'm sorry. Please don't come for me. And finally, how do you feel now that you've reached 1K subs? I feel amazing. Thank you guys so much. What's your favorite type of art? I do not have a favorite type of art, honestly. What's your favorite art supply? I already answered that. Do you wish that someday you will have some kind of job related to art? So actually, the job that I want has nothing to do with art really. So, it'd be cool, but that's not my end goal. But it might be, who knows. Have you ever done much animation? I will make a video on that soon, but no. Who or what inspired you to do art? Already answered that. Do you prefer the mountains or the beach? I prefer the mountains because the beach is going to be hot, and I hate hotness. Why did you start drawing? Because I was bored. What was the first thing you drew that you really liked? Oh my god. It was from a Draw-So-Key tutorial, and it was Edna from Incredibles. And then after that, I drew Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph and Cindy Lou Who from The Grinch Who Stole Christmas and The Boss Baby. I loved all of those, so I'll put them on the screen. So we're going to wrap it up with the last questions by CB Sketches. They say that these are the same questions they asked Melon Doodle's Q&A. How long have you been drawing? Already answered that. Have you ever been in a situation where you stopped drawing for a couple months, a couple weeks or months? No, but I have stopped drawing for about a week, and that was because I was really busy and I had a art block. What's your favorite part of the art process? Coloring, lighting, sketching, etc. Sketching, because I can always fix stuff, and I just like sketching in general. What's your favorite candy? I have the biggest sweet tooth, so I don't even have an answer to that. All candy is amazing. What's your favorite drawing you've ever done? Already answered that. Do you have favorite color? Already answered that. Favorite type of pencil? 2B. And yeah, those are all the questions for today. Thank you everyone for subscribing and asking questions. I hope you all have an amazing day. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye everybody.